You know, being able to join Miss Universe Philippines was already a win for me. And even if I didn't get the crown, as far na first runner-up, that is something to be proud of. You know, I never thought I'll be able to join. So, happy ako and sana madaming ma-inspire din na sumali na mommies, di ba? Dahil kayang-kaya nila. I'm first runner-up and who would have thought of that? Well, it was different. Siyempre, we were expecting, di ba, there's the last two standing, correct? But, you know, sabi ko, pinag-pray ko na kahit top 5, okay na ako. And it's just destiny that will, you know, crown the girl. So, I'm so happy for Atisa. I'm so happy for the girls that I'm with and for the girls that I have met. Diba? So, yeah, it's such an experience. Everybody, Diyos ko Lord, I'm their ate. Everyone has been calling me ate. And sobrang mamimiss ko sila kasi I've gotten to have a relationship with all the girls from different ages, from 17, 18, hanggang 34 na kasing edad ko. So, hindi mo yun makukuha basta-basta. So, sana hindi mawala yung sisterhood namin. Sana we still connect with each other. And I think yun naman yun eh. Ang pageantry dito sa Pilipinas is a sisterhood. So I think that's what will I treasure most talaga. Sa fans ko and Bingo Plus family, of course I want to say thank you again for the support that you have given me from the start hanggang ngayon. We may not have a crown, but we got first runner-up and that's an amazing feat already. I hope I got to inspire every single one of you that, you know, dreams doesn't have to expire. And if you want to do something, just go for it and no regrets dapat lagi. Thank you, Bingo Plus!